Hey everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day you're watching today. Sasha here. It's Thursday, so you know what that means. Another episode of Thirsty Thursday, y'all. So, what do I have to sample? Well, it is something that I've had before, and I did like it, but y'all know I want to try new things when doing Thirsty Thursday. So we're going to take something like I've done before. I've done this before. But we're going to take something that I've tasted before and we're going to put a spin on it, see if I'll like it. Now, for the age-old question in my head, I was wondering about this particular brand of water drops by Stevia Leaf, or Sweet Leaf, excuse me. For those of you that may not know, Stevia drops, or oh gosh, I'm so fixated on Tuesday's video, y'all. Sweet Leaf has their own water enhancers called water drops, and it works just like powdered drink mix or any other liquid drink mix such as Crystal Light, Mio, so on and so forth. You squirt as much as you want in your amount of water. And the beauty of this particular brand, y'all, is that it's made with stevia, not the infamous triad that we're so used to, the aspartame, the asulfame, potassium, the sucralose. A lot of today's popular water enhancers have those artificial sweeteners. I'm not too keen on using those because they have like a really sickeningly sweet taste to them. But Sweet Leaf, y'all, as I've made the mistake a couple times ahead before, that I kept calling these stevia drops. Well, Sweet Leaf original product is called stevia drops, but they have water drops, and then they have another one that's more suited for like coffee and tea. I forget what that's called, but they have flavors like vanilla, hazelnut, caramel, you know, the typical coffee triad. So folks, I wanted to see if when combined with sparkling water or carbonated water, will this be like an awesome Sprite substitute? And really, there are Sprite substitutes out there. The one that comes to mind, the most popular one for me, is Zevia, but it's also the most expensive. At Publix, a freaking 6-pack costs $6.99 or $5.99, so $1 a can. But you can get better prices on a 6-pack of drink, elsewhere. So I'm not too quick to jump on Zevia, or Zevia, I forget. But they do boast their zero sugar stevia sweetened drinks. So I have my Elo little sipping thing, and I'm just gonna fix the carbonated water first. And then I have my Soda Stream, moderately fizzy. Okay, I lied because the stuff sprayed me on my clavicle. So I'm just going to pour a little bit. And y'all, it's pretty much for the nutrition facts. Since it's taste to your own liking, the nutrition facts are like 0 all the way down. It's made with stevia and natural flavors. So you don't have to worry about that excess crap that, other drink companies like to shove in their products. So a serving is a milliliter per 8 ounces. Of course, y'all know I like my water a bit stronger than that. So I tend to do probably like 2 to 3 servings per 8 ounce. This is more than 8 ounces, y'all. This is like, I guess 16. And as y'all can hear those bubbles Let me be quick about this because I don't want the carbonation to die down. One. Oh, fail. That was a giant fail, y'all. Okay, I have to clean this up. Thank God it's just water. Okay, so I should have been a bit more lighter with the squeezes. That'll go on Instagram. That's my welcome back. So I got some of the water drops in here. Unfortunately, I did spill some of the carbonated water. And yeah, folks, and again, before I taste this, ingredients, like I said, pretty much zero down the line with the exception of total carbs. Total carbs has 1 gram, but it's 0 sugar. And lemon lime, let's see. Sweet leaf water drops are a convenient, sugar-free, and gluten-free water enhancer. Squirt into water for hydration and a delicious refreshment with a crisp burst of flavor. The stevia brand, Sweet Leaf, is the stevia brand consistently winning international taste test awards. So go stevia leaf, or Sweet Leaf. Jeez Louise. Okay. And then the ingredients are vegetable glycerin, purified water, citric acid, malic acid, natural flavor, stevia leaf extract, sodium citrate. Also, the cool thing about this is it doesn't need refrigeration. You just need to use it within a month of opening, which is fine because I go through these like crazy. And, yeah, it's non-GMO, verified, kosher, parv. I really not sure how that works, but it's kosher for those of you that are concerned with that dietary request. Like I said, there's no color additives to it. Some people might want that, but really, I mean, for lemon lime soda, this is perfect. It's not supposed to have a color. So here we go, folks. I gotta hurry up because I gotta get that get that wet spot out my carpet. Alright, so this is stevia leaves, lemon lime flavored water drops with carbonated water from my soda stream. Going down the hatch. Cheers, y'all. The burning question, does it taste like Sprite? No, I can taste the difference. There's, of course, Sprite. The problem with Sprite is it uses high fructose corn syrup versus like regular sugar. I might have made mine a bit weaker, so I can always just add in a few more drops of the water drops or a squirt or two of the water drops. It could be a little bit sweeter. Right now I'm just getting the essence of the water. But yeah, I can't believe I made that mistake. Okay, so put in another 2 milliliters, I suppose. There we go. It's to my liking. But again, it's not Sprite. And, hey, that's not a bad thing. I mean, Sprite, you know, I tend to be leery of the high fructose corn syrup. So, I mean, could this be a viable substitute for Sprite? Of course it can. I mean, I find this at my local Publix. I'm pretty sure you can find it at your local market. I know they're available nationwide for sure because they advertise it on Whole Foods. So if you have a Whole Foods near you, you can definitely get one of these. Cost. Ooh. At my Publix, these were was it $3.99 or $2.99? It's kind of up there, but they're using better for you ingredients. So, I mean, I'll pay that extra dollar to, to have a better water enhancer. And let's just jump right on into the verdict, shall we? In the case of Sweet Leaf's lemon lime flavored water drops with carbonation, out of my rating scale of good, okay, bad, I would rate this a good. I would even say great at this point because, yeah, this is like, lemon lime is like a flavor go-to staple where the sweetness and the lemon lime mixture pretty spot on. I can basically do like anytime I'm craving a Sprite, I have my Soda Stream, I have my stevia sweetened water enhancer and Sweet Leaf, and then just have a Sprite, like a, I guess, keto friendly, diet friendly Sprite that's not gonna do too much damage because it's stevia sweetened and not artificially sweetened, which makes me want to, eat, like, artificial stuff makes you want to eat more crap. And with stevia, that's not the case. So I'm all for it. Love it. I forgot to mention this earlier when I introduced this, but I love this even in flat water. This still tastes good. Flat tastes good. Sparkling. There are 5 other flavors, I believe. Definitely would encourage you to try them all if you can get access. I know Amazon sells them online as well, but you're paying, like, you're getting ripped off, of course. So, I mean, only as a last resort, if you don't have access to a Whole Foods or your region-specific grocers market doesn't have them on hand, yeah, then go to Amazon. But other than that, y'all, try to find it, in person. Very good water enhancer. I would probably, out of the ones that I've tasted so far, this is first place in terms of stevia sweetened. Sweet Leaf is first place, then Stir, and then H2 Wow. The only problem I have with H2 Wow is that they are very expensive, and the flavor, like, I think you have to, like, squeeze half the bottle to get, like, the decent amount of sweetness. Or you could just additionally put some stevia drops in along with the H2 Wow, but it's not sweet enough compared to, like, this Stir, and I think True Lemon is another one. But True Lemon is not a pure stevia sweetened one, so that's why I didn't lump them in with the other 3 that I mentioned. But yeah, y'all, that's gonna do it for this episode of Thirsty Thursday. The sun is pretty much setting. It's pretty late. I meant to do this earlier, but I was preoccupied with other stuff. So, still, we're gonna conclude it, call it a day. Thank you very much for watching. Any questions, comments, suggestions, or small talk, don't be a stranger. Leave it in my comment section below. Any and all are welcome. Greatly appreciated. Love to hear your thoughts and opinions on Sweet Leaf's water drops or the other 2 that I've mentioned. They're stevia drops, in which they do have flavored stevia drops. If you've ever come across them, what's your favorite flavor? And then have you come across the cafe drops, or I don't know what the other one's called, but it's for your coffee, your tea, and it has basically vanilla, caramel, and I believe mocha or hazelnut. But you know the real common flavors, y'all, like the real, typical coffee cafe flavors. All right, y'all. Well, that's pretty much another week down. No Fridays from Florida, as far as I can tell, because yeah, I don't have any money to do it. So we're just gonna, fast forward to next week. I will see you then. Take care. Hope you have a wonderful weekend upcoming. Make it a great day today and every day. And yeah, I'll see you maybe Monday. I'm not sure. But defo Tuesday for Tuesdays with a T. So until then, y'all, it's been real, it's been fun, and it's been real fun. Hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it, and you have yourselves a good one. Take care. Bye now.